So g'day people, how you going? This is Glenn, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the foods that Australians eat. So you probably get this theory, or you've probably watched in movies and seen in articles that Australians, we like to actually eat sausages, we like to eat pies, or you give me the pie. We like to eat pizza. We like to eat barbecue, and a lot of other stuff. Most of the stuff I don't like to eat. The main thing that I do like to eat is roast. Sometimes, once in a blue moon, I bangers and mash. And I love pavlova. Oh, awesome. But as for meat pies, you know, it's like someone vomited in a piece of pastry. Sausages, sausage sizzle. Yeah, as long as it's a sausage like chili sausage or tandoori. None of these fucking, it's a 5-cent sausage from Safeway. I'll buy that. You know, my dog hasn't had breakfast, so might as well feed it to my dog. And, we eat lots of bread. Yeah, lots of people eat bread. I don't really eat much bread. What I do like to eat is chili, curry, beautiful Indian curry. Got what else? Curry masala. I can't wait to try that. It's beautiful. If you actually make your own chili, it's actually beautiful. Australians also like to eat pizza and other Italian food, but I think Italy is a nice country. I think their food is just pretty terrible, pretty shit anyway. So that's why I eat curry. This is chili chicken masala. Oh yeah, baby. What else? What else do I have? I do eat some of this stuff. So this is probably more Italian stuff as well. So while I said a lot of Italian food is crap, not all of it is. You know, I do like this white sauce pasta that they have. And then we got pasta sauce. Yeah, not too keen on this. Spaghetti, lasagna. Yeah, nah, I don't think so. And a lot of Australians like to eat this slow cooked. You probably have a lot of this in your own country. Different flavours, different types, depending on your actual wherever you come from. So here we have some these Japanese noodles. It's got Korean on it, so these are probably Korean version of Japanese noodles. Oh yeah, product of Korea. So these are Korean noodles, not Japanese, but they're similar to Japanese noodles and they're quite nice. Korean food I quite like. Vietnamese food, oh yum! I can't wait when the lockdown is over. Then we open up. I can go to a Thai restaurant and what I like to eat. Something called Nam Tok. Oh, it's just beautiful. You got the lime, you've got the chili, you've got the Vietnamese mint with the beef. Australia just hasn't come up with anything like this. And talk about UK food. Do they actually eat food, or is it just like grazing? You know, the hunting and gathering still. So the UK people are still hunting and gathering. That's why the food is just, oh my god, I wouldn't even call that food. I call it scraps. Let's have a look at what else. I've also got, we've cut down on the rice a bit because my wife actually doesn't want to eat as much rice. Bloody Chinese people, they don't like eating rice. Don't know what's going on with them. Then we have goji berries. Got almonds. This is all for Chinese medicine. So we've got lots of other stuff here. Chinese medicine stuff. Yes. So let's go to the fridge. Oh, sorry. Also got Bickies biscuits. I don't really like this flavour. I ran out of the ones that I actually like. So we've got Vickies. Americans, you like to call them, can't remember what you actually call them. Who cares? You're only American. And then we've got other stuff. So we've got our own version of Mexican food because I don't really have a place that actually has Mexican. Oh, we've got Taco Bell. But I actually would like to go to Mexico and taste the food. I think it's beautiful. Then we just got eggs, you know. Got strawberry. Got jam. So this is a blackberry jam. Beautiful. And got some muffins. I made them today. Some muffins. Beautiful muffins that I don't like to eat because they're terrible. And just got other stuff like cheese and all that. So it's pretty much a mix. So in the modern day Australia, we have a mix of what we eat. We don't just eat one thing. We don't just eat British derived food. We don't just eat, you know, like Italian food. Italian food's percolated a lot through the culture, but Greek food has not. And I'm pretty surprised Greeks need to up your game and try and get your food into society. Same with the Arabs, okay? Because the Italians, the Indians, and the Chinese, their food is starting to percolate through society. So in 100 years, our food was totally different than anything that we actually eat now. Or even 100 years before, food was totally different than what we eat now. So anyway, that is what we eat. I hope it gives you an insight to at least what one Australian actually likes to eat. We're all different, everyone around the world. Even from village to village, we actually eat different things, have different recipes. Even different families have different recipes that they actually use. So anyway, hope this teaches you something about myself and what we do in Australia. Anyway, hooroo, and have an awesome time with your life. Just remember you only get one. Enjoy.